In 1932, Australia went to war, but not against another country, not even against humans. No, this war was against birds. 20,000 emus, massive, flightless birds, descended on Western Australia, devouring crops and crippling farmland. Farmers begged for help, and the government listened. What happened next sounds made up. The military rolled in with Lewis machine guns, armed, trained, ready for war. But the emus? They were faster than bullets, split into tactical groups, and outran the soldiers every time. One soldier wrote, "If we had a military division with the bullet-carrying capacity of these birds, we'd face no enemy." The emus couldn't be stopped. The guns jammed. The troops gave up. The birds won. And so, in the annals of bizarre history, the record stands. The Emu War, Australia, 0. Emus, 1.